Hi guys, Wren Bird here. Just another quick one from me, part of the January lock challenge on UK Lock Sport. Locked up at the moment. Here's the key for this Wren Bird. It's a cabinet lock. 1, 2, 4 pinner. Nothing special at all. It turns clockwise to unlock, and and anti-clockwise to lock up. So there it is. This one should just be 2 pins to pick at the back. So let me just show you it. It's definitely locked. There we go, and I'm going to try and pick this so you can see it. I'm going to try and pick American style, but I don't know how well that's going to go. If you're going to see anything. Nah, let's turn it around. Let's do it my normal way. That way it's easier. Right, so you can believe the contortion I'm doing to get this for you guys to see. So that's 4, and just find pin 3, slip off it. It's really hard. Okay, you see the cord moves once, and there we go. That's it picked. Just put the pins down there. Turns it a bit more, and there we go. So there you have it. That should be absolutely, yeah. And I think if I go back to pin 1, not that anyone's going to want to pick a lock closed. Well, there we go. Pin 2 and then 1, so it's back the opposite way. That's it. Locked back up. So yeah, pins 3 and 4 to unlock, and pins 1 and 2 to lock it. Off to the zoo we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Oh, I better show you it. Still in working order properly. Key in. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Wren Bird out.